In Your Face comes with a selection of default themes that you can select in the app's settings. By default, the classic theme is selected. To change the theme, simply select it in the list. You can see a small preview of the selected theme on the right side of the window. To see how it would look like with an actual full-screen alert, click the demo button. Get creative by editing the existing themes or create new themes from scratch. To start editing a theme, press the plus button at the bottom left. The default themes can't be changed, so you either need to duplicate the selected theme or create a new theme from scratch, which will be initialized by default with the classic theme settings. For now, let's edit the Indian summer theme. Let's change the text color a bit. I'd like a bluish background. And finally, let's set the button foreground to white for better contrast. Let's see how this looks like in full screen. Nice. Now we give it a new name. And we are all set to use our custom theme. If you want to share your creation with others, you can export custom themes. Simply right-click on the theme. Select Export. Choose a location and save the file. Now, you can share the file with your friends or colleagues. I have received a theme from my friend which I'd like to check out. To do so, I can either add it via the plus button, Import Theme, or by simply dragging the file into the list, which is my preferred method. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can change themes, create your own, and share them with your friends. If you don't already use In Your Face, there is a link to the website in the description. Thanks for watching.